How to make a rules channel in Discord. So first and foremost is you have to make sure that you own the server. So for example, this one, I actually own this one. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna go here under your server's name. You're gonna see an arrow here. Click on that, and then go to server settings. After that, in the left side, you will on the left side rather, you will see community, and under that you will see enable community. Click on enable community, and here it will ask, are you building a community? Tap on get started, and after that just check through that verified email required and scan media content from all members. Tap on this, and then here you can create one for me, or you can actually set it up here. It's either to your general, to your music, blessings, and announcement here. So since we're gonna create a rules channel in Discord, let's just tap on create one for me, including the community updated channel here. Tap on next, and then just tap on agree here, and then finish setup. Now after that, what you're gonna do next is here you will see the new rules, and now all you have to do is you're gonna click on it and edit channel, and you can rename actually that, say rules and regulation, and then here you can put the rules here. So channel topic, let everyone know how to use this channel and all, and then here tap on save changes after that one. And then you can even set it to private channel, depends on you. You can give invites to specific people there, and basically that is how you make rules here. And then you're the only one who can type on this one to create rules. So basically that is it, and that is how you create or make a rules channel in Discord. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.